Hi there, let's talk about HP 15S laptop today. This laptop comes with the 15.6-inch 1920 by 1080 display to enjoy clearer, sharper images. The laptop has 250 nits brightness to give you crystal clear viewing experience of all content. This laptop comes with an 8GB DDR4 RAM so you can multitask smoothly with everyday applications like Microsoft Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. You also get a 512GB SSD storage capability. You can comfortably store your game files, video content and large application files. The laptop features FHD camera which is perfect for meetings and class. This laptop comes with one USB Type-C, two USB Type-A, and one HDMI 1.4V ports. The laptop weighs 1.69 kilograms, which makes it easy to carry. No need to charge this laptop for it has 7 hours and 45 minutes of battery life. This laptop comes dual front-facing speakers providing an enhanced multimedia experience. The laptop comes with 1 year's on-site warranty. Thank you.